Whey protein is one of the most popular supplements in the United States and is quite effective for those looking to gain muscle mass and improve post-workout recovery. However, if not used correctly, it may not bring the desired benefits. Therefore, in today's video, we will reveal the 10 effects that occur in your body when you consume whey protein for 30 days and how you should take it to truly enjoy all its amazing benefits. I'll give you a heads up. Effect number 1 is one of the most dangerous. Stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Before you leave this video, click on the video that's appearing on your screen to continue our conversation. I'll see you there. Number 10. Improved muscle recovery. One of the most common effects on your body after consuming whey protein for 30 days is improved muscle recovery. After an intense workout, muscle recovery is essential to ensure that your muscles recover and are ready for the next workout within 48 hours. Remember that rest is necessary for your body. Proper recovery helps reduce muscle soreness and improves overall performance in training and diet. Whey protein is known for its rapid digestion and absorption, which enhances protein synthesis in your body, meaning your ability to absorb nutrients more quickly, making it an excellent choice for muscle recovery. In addition, whey protein delivers essential amino acids directly to the muscles. It contains crucial nutrients such as leucine, which is vital for muscle protein synthesis, promoting growth and recovery after intense and heavy workouts. It also includes isoleucine, which helps with muscle recovery and blood sugar regulation, and provides L-glutamine, which contributes to immune function and reduces fatigue after workouts. Studies show that consuming whey protein after exercise significantly reduces markers of muscle damage and improves recovery about 3 times faster. Number 9. Increased muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis is the process by which your body builds new proteins throughout the day and during consistent workouts. This is essential for muscle growth and repair, especially as you age. After age 40, your body's ability to synthesize proteins rapidly declines, particularly in men over 50. This process further accelerates, directly impacting the ability to maintain and gain muscle and making muscle recovery more difficult. This is where whey protein comes into play and helps you. With its highly bioactive amino acid profile, it can be an effective solution to combat muscle loss over time. Moreover, studies show that whey protein supplementation results in a higher rate of muscle protein synthesis compared to other protein sources available in the American market. For men over 30, this increase in protein synthesis can mean faster muscle gains and better recovery after exercise, helping to combat age-related muscle loss. It's like giving your muscles an extra boost throughout the day, so they grow even more and maintain that capacity over time, especially after 30. Number 8. Increased muscle strength. As you age, you may have noticed that your muscle strength is decreasing. This is a common issue in men after 30. Therefore, consuming whey protein daily for 30 days can help increase your muscle strength. Whey protein promotes the growth and maintenance of lean muscle mass within the first 30 days of use, especially if you engage in regular strength training. With the proper dosage of whey, your body will start to notice an increase in strength during workouts within the first 15 days. You will notice that your body can push a little further and last longer in each workout session. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that whey protein supplementation can significantly improve muscle strength. These studies show that as you age, it becomes increasingly necessary to use supplements and vitamins to ensure your body receives the proper dosage and quality of nutrients, especially if you are looking to gain lean muscle mass. Number 7. Reduction in body fat. In addition to aiding muscle recovery and increasing strength after 30 days of use, whey protein can also help reduce body fat. Since it helps preserve lean muscle mass in your body, This results in an increase in basal metabolism, promoting fat burning within the first 30 days, provided you use it regularly in appropriate dosages throughout the day, with the guidance of a nutritionist to ensure the right doses for your diet. Maintaining lean muscle mass is crucial for calorie burning and fat loss, as well as contributing to increased strength. Studies conducted in the United States show that whey protein can increase metabolic rate and promote fat loss by maintaining lean muscle mass, especially if you engage in high-intensity workouts, such as longer training sessions. Research indicates that whey protein intake can lead to a significant reduction in body fat, particularly when combined with resistance exercises and a balanced diet. Remember, diet is crucial for achieving your goals. Whey protein should be used appropriately and with guidance to ensure you're using it correctly. Before we move on to the next item on our list, remember to stay until the end to discover all the effects of whey protein after 30 days on your body. Number 1 is the most serious, and you might be making that mistake right now. So stay tuned until the end to not miss this crucial information. Number 6, appetite control. If you are on a weight loss diet, it's crucial to control your appetite and avoid junk food, especially burgers and ultra-processed foods. I know it's a challenge, but whey protein can help. The protein found in whey is known to increase feelings of fullness, which can help reduce excessive calorie consumption and assist in weight management throughout the day. Whey protein makes your body feel more satisfied, leading to lower calorie intake between meals and helping to maintain a healthy caloric balance. Whey protein increases satiety and helps control appetite by providing a high-quality protein source that takes longer to digest, as well as improving overall metabolism. Therefore, I always recommend taking whey protein before meals, especially at breakfast, to provide a greater feeling of fullness throughout the day. Carry whey protein bars with you to work, and when you feel hungry, opt for these bars instead of giving in to temptations that could undermine your diet. Several studies show that whey protein supplementation can increase satiety and help control appetite, in addition to providing other benefits, as mentioned at the beginning of this video. For men over 40, this can mean more effective weight control and a more balanced and healthy diet. Number 5, improved immune function. After 30 days of using whey protein in your diet, you will notice an improvement in your body's immune function. Continuous use of whey protein for more than 30 days helps strengthen the immune system by providing immunoglobulins and lactoferrin, which are known to enhance immune function. After 15 days, you will notice a slight improvement, but by 30 days, the effects will be more visible and felt in your body, as if you were more energetic each day. This helps protect your body against infections and promotes overall better health. Number 4, improved bone health. Whey protein offers several benefits, and one of the most important is the improvement in bone health, especially for those looking to gain muscle mass and maintain muscle strength. As you age, especially after 50, bone health can deteriorate, leading to bone loss that your muscles cannot support, resulting in joint pain and discomfort. If you already experience joint pain during workouts, leave a comment below. Therefore, whey protein use is essential. After 30 days of consumption, you will start to notice improvements in your body's bone health, especially during workouts. You will feel that your body is stronger and so are your bones, due to whey's ability to provide nutrients that help maintain bone density and promote bone regeneration. Studies show that adequate intake of whey protein can have significant positive effects on bone health, especially for men over 40. The protein in whey is an essential component of the bone matrix, which provides structure and strength to the bones. Additionally, the amino acids in whey, such as leucine, play a crucial role in collagen synthesis, a protein important for bone and joint health. After 30 days of using this supplement, You will notice improvements in your joints and greater confidence during workouts. Studies with men over 30 revealed that using whey protein can have positive effects on bone health, helping to prevent bone loss and reducing the risk of fractures, especially during heavier and more intense workouts. These studies showed that men who included whey protein in their diet had better maintenance of bone density compared to those who did not use the supplement. In summary, those who used whey protein for 30 days noticed an improvement in bone health and physical condition compared to those who did not use it. Number 3. Improved skin health. Consuming whey protein for 30 days can have significant positive impacts on your skin health. The skin, being the largest organ in your body, plays crucial roles in protecting against external agents and regulating body temperature. Maintaining skin health is not just an aesthetic issue, but also a reflection of overall bodily health. One of the important nutrients for the skin is collagen, a protein essential for skin elasticity and firmness. Although the body naturally produces collagen, its synthesis can be influenced by dietary factors such as diet and physical exercise. By training regularly, you can help keep your skin looking youthful. With the use of whey protein for 30 days, you may notice a significant improvement in your skin's appearance. Whey protein is rich in essential amino acids, such as leucine, which are crucial for collagen synthesis and cellular repair. These amino acids are vital building blocks for the skin, helping not only with maintenance, but also with cellular renewal, providing a more youthful appearance. Studies show that whey protein supplementation can result in visible improvements in skin health after 30 days of consistent use, especially when consumed twice a day in doses of 5 grams. Research has shown that regular whey protein consumption can significantly boost dermal collagen production, contributing to firmer, more elastic skin with reduced appearance of wrinkles. This effect is particularly beneficial for men over 50, as collagen production tends to decrease with age, leading to visible signs of skin aging. Using whey protein after 30 days can give your skin a rejuvenated feel. Number 2. Clear and focused mind. Whey protein contains essential amino acids that play an important role in brain function, helping to keep the mind more focused, especially during intense workouts or activities that require greater concentration throughout the day. The essential amino acids found in whey protein, such as leucine, isoleucine, and valine, are crucial for proper brain function. These amino acids play important roles in neurotransmitter synthesis, which are chemicals in the brain responsible for communication between neurons. Among these neurotransmitters, dopamine and serotonin are crucial for mood, concentration, and memory. Studies have shown that whey protein supplementation can have significant positive effects on cognitive function and focus, providing a sharper and more concentrated mind for activities that require greater attention. Whey protein provides the building blocks needed for neurotransmitter production, which are essential for proper brain function. With increased levels of these amino acids, the brain can operate more efficiently, helping to improve memory, concentration, and mental clarity, especially in men over 30. We've reached the number 1 on our list. Before we reveal the final effect, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. And stay tuned until the end, because we have a special bonus tip for you. Number 1. Support for blood sugar control. Whey protein can be a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels, especially for older men. Using whey protein for 30 days can help improve your blood health by assisting in reducing sugar levels. One of the ways it contributes to glycemic control is by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates in your body throughout the day. Whey protein can lower the glycemic index of meals, meaning carbohydrates are digested and absorbed more slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose. A practical tip is to consume whey protein bars during the afternoon snack time or when you feel hungry, instead of opting for processed snacks. Keeping whey protein bars handy can help control your appetite and provide additional support for glycemic control. Research shows that regular use of whey protein for more than 30 days, combined with regular physical exercise, can lead to better blood sugar regulation and a significant increase in insulin sensitivity. This study revealed that participants who supplemented with whey protein showed improvements in their body's ability to manage blood sugar levels, which is crucial for the prevention and management of type 2 diabetes, a common condition especially among men over 50. Before you go, click on the video that's appearing to continue our conversation. I'll see you there. Thank you.